So far we know how to create a storage account with the graphical user interface. We also know how to do it with the PowerShell. Let's also learn with the CLI. I have the command prompt open and also have the Azure CLI tools installed. So the first command that I will run will create a resource group for me. The command will then be az group create hyphen name, the name of the resource group. You can replace with this part with anything you want, and then the location in which the resource group will be created will be West US. Remember that in PowerShell you will have single hyphens in front of the syntax, but in CMD or CLI you will have double hyphens. Let's hit enter and wait for the resource group to be created. Once the resource group is created, we will create a storage account in the same resource group. All right. Now the command to create a storage account is az storage account create. Right. This part will create the storage account for me. And the name of this storage account is text storage important data. I have chosen this as the name, but you can choose whatever you like. But make sure that you're following the naming standards. Everything is lowercase. There are no special characters, right? There can be numbers inside it, but there cannot be any upper cases. This is created in a resource group called tech underscore itdept. Then the location is in West US. I'm choosing the replication type to be local redundant storage, and the kind of storage is storage v2. So these are various syntaxes that we are passing to create the storage account. These are minimal and required syntaxes that must be there during the storage account provisioning process. I will hit enter now to initiate the storage account provisioning. Looks like the storage account is created. Let's go ahead and go to the GUI to see if it is actually there. I'll go to the graphical user interface, refresh the screen, and there you see tech underscore IT department is there as a resource group. Now inside this resource group, I must have the storage account. So in the last 3 videos, we learned how to create a storage account with the graphical user interface, PowerShell, and CLI.